Okay, so today we are at 704 in Austin off Lamar Street. This is a mid-rise. We are going to be painting all the metal rail, the soffits, the fascia, the landing soffits, front doors, patio doors, and the trim. We have 6 guys here today. They're starting to do the power wash. It's more like a soft wash on the landings since we have a lot of resin stuff, even though it gets moved. We'll be using a lot of heavy equipment here, but we have our JNT crews there. So we're starting on this one here today, all these metal ones, and we'll be continuing on to these back here. Also, we'll be doing the front of the office, but I'll be doing a separate video for that. Our teams are cold today because of the weather, but we will be moving on forward today. We're gonna do all the metal. There's a lot of repair areas that weren't included originally, but our customer is requesting that we fix it. So areas like this, we have a syrup, the paint, the primer, you can't really apply it to that. It won't stick, so you have to fix it. So as part of our service that we do, we try to give it a little more. Now, some of them will incur a change order because there's a lot of them, but we always recommend changing because, like I said, once you paint that, it's going to deteriorate in no time. We're going to be painting all that. So hopefully everything goes good. I'll be updating y'all every day.